Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, let's start creating a chess game on Mac instead of on iOS. Okay? So the plan is maybe eventually we can create, right? We can let the iOS app to play a game with the Mac app, Mac OS app. Okay? So it's like computer, right? It's fighting against an iPad or iPhone. Okay, let's get started. Xcode, create a new Xcode project. Okay, so this time, yeah, be careful. We are not using iOS, we use Mac OS app. Next. So let's use Mac Chess, okay, as the name, because the name chess might be used in our previous project. Never mind, okay. So storyboard, yeah, and the Swift as our programming language. Next. Okay, just yeah, I put the project inside the temp directory or folder. Okay, so let's run it to make sure everything is good. Command R. Where is our window? Yeah, a small window here. Okay. So there's a trick, like if we rerun it, right? You see, I moved the window from the original place from here to here, right? But if I rerun it using Command R from Xcode, yeah, the location is remembered. Okay, so what if I resize it like that? So okay, let's rerun it. Oh, the size, right? You see, it's remembered. Okay, cool. So it's good for our debugging. Now let's create, yeah, let's add a view on that, right? So like always, we'll create a view file here. New, yeah, Coco. Oh, it's not UI kit class. Now it's Coco class. Next. Yeah, subclass of NSView instead of UI view. Okay, NSView. What is that? Our board view. Okay. Language Swift. Good. So just accept the default create. So this guy, let's move up and put it here. Here is our drawing code. Okay. Now we need to go to the main storyboard. Yeah, you see it's different, right? Okay, so here we'll put our view here. So grab an S view. Oh, it's called custom view. Custom view here. This guy, drag and put it here. Okay, let's resize it like that. And if we run it, oh okay, if we run it now we cannot see anything. Yeah, because this view is transparent, and now there's nothing to set up here. It's not like the user interface, the main storyboard of the UI iOS app. So never mind, we can set this class, right, to our view, board view. B, yeah, board. Enter. Now let's go back to, we can start drawing. Yeah, so we can let's set our background white. Okay, so color literal, yeah, dot set fill. Okay, so fill what? Bounds. The bounds is our view, the rectangle representing our view. Okay, dot fill, like that. Let's see, run it. Is there a white thing here? Yeah, here. Now this is not a square. If we want to create a chess game, right, we need a square here. Okay, now let's go back to main storyboard. Yeah, let's handle this guy. So with that, select, let's set the constraints, auto layout constraints. So standard distance, the margin to its container. Okay, button and that. Oh no, we don't need this. We cannot use this. Now we need the aspect ratio to set it 1 to 1. Okay, it's not 1 to 1, of course. Double click. Oh yeah, double click, and here select. You can type if you like. Okay. Oh, good. Now when we run it, yeah, we can still run it. Command R to see what happened. Yeah, you see, gorgeous, right? If you don't like the look and feel here, what you can do is you can select that and drag this down to whatever you like. Yeah, like that. It doesn't matter, it won't affect anything because we set the layout, right, like that, using the constraints. Okay, let's run it again to make sure it still works. Yeah, now we can go back to our drawing code. So let's create let's define our, like always, define the origin X and origin Y, and oh, now the origin is here. Yeah, so we can draw a single, let's define the function. Wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, a function to draw the square. Okay, name draw cell. Okay, like 1/64th of the complete chessboard. Okay, so like that, draw cell. So we can use we can use a color. Okay, so color literal dot set fill. Now we can do, yeah, we can create our ns Bezier path. Do we have a rectangle? Yes, rectangle. Enter. You see, ns rectangle. So we can do this. X. Let's put it on here, right? The first one here. So this will be black. This will be, right, the standard chessboard. The top left is a light color square. Okay, so this one, oh, so let's use gray color, gray, maybe this one. Okay, so let's use a darker gray. Yeah, so X will be 0. Okay, Y 0 with, let's just use a arbitrary number, and we create, right, an object of Bezier path, and then we can dot fill. Can we? Yes. That's, oh, okay, we need to call it. And draw cell, run it. Yeah, cool, right? How can we make it exactly 1/8 of the, right, of the width? We can do draw cell. We can do like that. Cell side, right? CG float equals bounds dot height always, right? They are same, divided by 8. Now we can use cell side here, right? And oh, now we can hide this part, so we have more space for code. For our code, cell side. Now run it again. Yeah, I guess this is perfect. The 1/8 of the, like the our view. Okay, the width of our view. Now we want to reuse. We want to reuse this to draw the other part of the other squares. So let's define a column and the row. Okay, so column and the row. Okay, so auto fix this one. Column, the first one is column 0, row 0 is here. So the next one is column 0, 1, 2, right? 2, and row same 0. So how can we draw another one? Like column 2, row still 0, right? Now how can we use the column here? So here will be column times cell side, right? And y, same idea, row times cell side. Run it. Oh, okay, it doesn't compile. Let's hide this part. Auto fix, we need to convert that to CG float, and this guy same too, same idea, right? Okay, run it again. Command R. Yes, right, very good. So now we can use a for loop, right, to draw the whole, like 4 of them. For loop, same thing. I 0 dot dot less than, we need 4 of them, right? So copy, paste it here. So the pattern is 0, 2, 4, 6. Easy, right? So here is just I times 2. Okay, delete that, run it. Yeah, that's the first row. What about the second row? Second row, we also need 4 of them, right? We just needed to add 1 here, right, to push it to the right. Oh, the row will be different. 1. Alright, cool. Now we just need, yeah, we can we can simply make a copy of that, or we can add another for loop, like to be cool. Okay, J 0 dot dot less than 4. Let's put this inside here. So we'll duplicate, right? 4 of them. Now we need to change the row here. So here it will be j times 2. Here it will be plus. It's very similar to how we handle the column. Run it. Yes, right? Gorgeous. You see? That's great. Now let's, if we stop it here, we can, we still need to stop here. Now run it again. Great, right? So that's it for today. See you next time, friend. Thank you for watching.